What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES.com. I have here Zombieland. Microtech just came out with the LUDT in zombie green with red spatter. It's pretty sick. So the ZombieTech now has extended into the LUDT realm. So I've got black, stonewash, and then UTX-85. We've got a bunch of Ultratechs. Here's the bayonet blade, stonewash, partially serrated. With all the zombies, you're not going to have markings. So I get questions about this all the time. It is normal to not have anything on the blade. The only markings you're going to see on a zombie are going to be on the pocket clip. So it's not fake if it doesn't have anything on the blade itself. Here's a partially serrated LUDT. Got another UTX-85. So I got double edge, bayonet. I've got all kinds of stuff in the zombie lineup for Microtech. So eknives.com guys, if you have any questions, 423-525-9477. Thanks.